Hello, welcome to Vibe Trading. My name is Don Okora. We are in May already. Here are the three stocks I see great value in this month of May, and the stocks I will be discussing are ExxonMobil, AMD, and Walmart. So let's quickly dive into our chart and kind of look at it and see where we find some value and where we can be able to get in and take advantage of the movement it's making right now. So I'm gonna be starting off. I'm gonna be starting off with AMD. So I have been actually in this position, and because I kind of see the value it presents, so as a result of that, I got in a little bit early, and I'm holding it. I already know where the price target is gonna be. So let me go ahead and clear this chart, and we can just map up some key level in this chart. So looking at this chart, we are looking at the yearly chart, and I can tell you that at this level we found some support level, and where we see area of resistance will be at this level. So that being said, it's just trading below the 20-day moving average, so it's just hanging in right here. It's consolidating at this level, and this is a very good level to get in. And when you're getting in this level, knowing that it's trading below the 20-day moving average, it's in stage 1, and our target will be this level right here. This is where our price target is, and right now it's trading at $53. So if we get in here, we look to take profit at this level. This is where we look to take our profit right here. This is where we look to take our profit. It's very simple. So we're gonna look to get in somewhere here. We're gonna look to get in somewhere here at the 53 level, and we're gonna take our profit when it comes to this $58 level. And when we look at it, when we look at our RSI, we can see that our RSI is pointing up. That means it's looking to make the move to the upside. And if we look at our AMD, if we look at our MACD, we can see the MACD, we can see this green line. It's making that move, and I can tell you that we are anticipating some crossover. And when that crossover occurs, it's gonna shoot this stock, and here is gonna be our first target. That's where we're gonna take our first target. And let's just look at it from a shorter time frame. Let's just go look at the 5 days, and if we look at the 5 days, you can see that we had some support level at the 51 level, but from our look of things, we can see that the AMD is holding on that support level, and it's bouncing back. It's bouncing back. It's making some higher high and higher low, and it's just trending to the upside. So it's having a little bit of resistance at this level, but I have no doubt come this week, it's gonna break that level, because the overall market is trending to the upside, and that is something I like to see. But that's a resistance level, but you can see it's gonna break this level come Monday. It's gonna break it so easily. You can see that build up from our Friday trading. So keep this on your watch list. I'm telling you, I can see this going to that level we mapped out. All right, let me just kind of like paraphrase what I've just said. All right, this is where we look to get in. We look to get in at this level, the $53 level, and we look to take our profit at $58. So that's a $5 move if that move do occur, which I believe from our look of things, from the price action, from our RSI, from our volume, I can see the volume building up, and I can see the MACD. I can see a crossover occurring at this level. So this stock really presents us with a very big opportunity, and just take the trade and just make sure you do your own diligence, you understand risk to reward ratio, and understand what you're really gonna be getting yourself into. All right, let's look at ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil, it's a beautiful it's a stock that is trading below the value, but this is a very good stock that you can even go for a long time, just buy and hold. Everything that is going on with the oil, I can see the oil coming back, I can see the price picking back up. Okay, so when I look at the oil right now, when I look at ExxonMobil, I can definitely tell you this is where we found a resistance level, and it's trading above the 20-day moving average, and I can see all my the rest of my moving average are just hanging in right here. So if we get in at this level, and that's the level of I want to say the level of $46, our price target is to take our profit when it hits the 49 or the $50 mark. So that will be like a $4 move, and I do see it's moving to that level because it's make that move to the upside. So that will be where we look to take our profit, and we look to get in at this level and just be patient and let it do what it's gonna do. If we just try to look at it, we can see that at every time the stock is holding its moving average. I mean, it's using it as a support. It's holding that support level with the moving average. So I can tell you that the next move it's gonna try to make the move to the upside. Okay, and when we look at our RSI, we can see that the RSI is pointing up. That means it's making its move to the upside. And when we look at our MACD, you can see the MACD is way up there. But I will tell you something, when you have more buyers coming in, it's gonna shoot the price to the upside regardless. And from the history, we can see that every time it sells off, it uses the 20-day moving average as a support level, and that's what we see right here. And the next move we're gonna anticipate is for this thing to go to this level. Okay, let's just look at the 5-day chart and the 5-minute 5-day chart. All right, when we look at the 5-minute 5-day chart, we can see that this is where it's been before. The lowest it's been was the $42, and the highest it has gone was the $47. So what do we have here? We have a stock that is just trading, that is making some higher high and higher low, and it's looking to go to this level. That's where it's been before. Do I have any doubt that it's not gonna go to that level? No, because it's been there before, and that is why I see that value in this stock. Okay, all right, so let's go to the last stock, and the last stock we're gonna look is Walmart. And the reason why I see value in Walmart is because Walmart, it's a very great company, and it has a lot of great value at this moment. Everybody, where they go shop right now is Walmart, because Walmart's they open. That's where everybody is going. I mean, so that's to tell you that okay, they're making some money, they're generating some revenue because everybody is going to Walmart to buy their needs. Okay, so when we look at Walmart, Walmart is just trading below the 20-day moving average. So this market, it's a very good time to kind of getting into this stock. Okay, because when we look at it, we can see that it's holding this level, the 122, it's holding this level, the $121 level. If we get in here, our target will be, our first target will be this. That will be our first target. Okay, that level. And if it breaks that level, we're gonna look that it's gonna go to the upside, which it's been there. Like, I mean, the last couple of days we just saw some pullback. Profit taker, they took their profit, which is really good. You need to lock in that profit and get back and reallocate your money and get back in the game, and not to sit on the sideline. But sometimes, if you have to sit on the sideline, that's okay. But what I'm saying is I see this moving to the upside. Okay, and if we look at this candle from Friday, we can see that rejection. We can see that the buyers are trying to take control of this market from this candle. We can see that's what's happening here. So like I said, we're gonna get in knowing that we get in here. Our first targets at the $121 will be our first target will be to take some profit at 125, and that's a $4 move. If it breaks this level, it's gonna go to the upside. So it's a lot of great value in this company. Okay, let's just look at the 5-day chart. Let's look at the 5-minute 5-day chart and see. When we look at this, we can see that it sold off so badly. It was trading the last 5 days. It was trading at the 125, and as of today, it's down to this level, the $121. So we look that we are anticipating that it's gonna try to go back to where it's been before. And where has it been before? It's this level. So if you get in here, that's a lot of value. Getting in here, that's a lot of value, because when you get in here, that's the price. That when you get in here, you're gonna take your profit at a high price level. So this stock presents us with opportunity. Well, thank you for staying till the end of this analysis, where I talk about the 3 top stocks I see value, which are ExxonMobil, AMD, and Walmart. The company presents us with a lot of opportunity. You can look to get in, but knowing that when you try to invest in a company like this or take a trade, it is very advisable to do your due diligence. Just know what you're getting yourself into, because the market can go any direction, but we can only, based on what we are looking at, just try to participate based on what we are seeing. And if you like this video, why don't you consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and also go ahead and smash the like button. And thank you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.